When you're buying a house, your contract is contingent upon home inspection. That means you get 17 days approximately or less to do your full investigation of the house. You as a buyer, you have the right to bring any inspector you like at your own cost to do the inspection. Any inspector you like, any termite company or general inspector. As a seller, you have to allow the buyer to bring any inspector that they want during that time period. The buyer may ask you to give them a credit for any repair or for you to fix any inspection items. But you as a seller, you have no obligation to fix anything or give any credit or even respond. But of course, in a perfect world, we know we want to try to work with the buyer to come with a mutual agreement. But it's important for a buyer to understand that before you make an offer, you understand that the seller may not agree to any inspection credit. So when you make an offer, make sure that it's already built into your offer price.